Hey everyone, thanks for joining. Today I'm gonna show you the 618 day trading strategy. If you see big candles like these after sideways movement, then all you need to do is draw in a fib retracement from the bottom of the move until all the way up, and then put a limit buy a little bit above the 618 line. So for those who don't know, you just go in trading view and click on the fib retracement, take the bottom of the move, take it all the way up, and then you will get your 618 retracement. Put a buy limit a little bit above it. I'm gonna show you a couple of examples, but you can go ahead and practice on your chart. You can close your trade anywhere between the 382 and the 236, or even going back to the top of the move, but it depends on how strong is the sell pressure. The best approach is to increase the stop limit every time the price move up. That way, in case the price drops suddenly, then you are covered and you made some profit. There are a few things that you need to be aware of. This strategy doesn't work on V recovery shape, and I'm gonna show you one example. Sometimes the price doesn't go back to the 618 and continue going sideways. In that scenario, you cannot even predict if the price would go up or down, so you're not even in a trade anyways, because the candles will not hit your buy order at the 618 area. I'm gonna make another video on how to trade V-shape. That's it guys, please like and subscribe. See you on the next video.